Hey, wallet lovers! Today we'll discuss how many credit cards you should have in order to reach and maintain good credit. The short answer is that you only need one credit card for good credit because simply having an account open is the most efficient way to build and maintain good or even excellent credit. Beyond that, it's really a matter of preference. The more important factors are your payment history, the total amount of your debts, and the total of your credit limits. As a result, having fewer credit cards that you use responsibly is better than having more cards, yet worse performance. But if you have multiple credit cards and use them all responsibly, by paying your bills in full by the due date every month and not maxing out your limits, then having multiple credit cards will absolutely help promote good credit. Here's how that works. Multiple credit cards means more total credit. More total credit gives you a bit more leeway with your credit utilization, or the amount of credit you're using versus the amount extended to you. And that makes up about 20% of your score, so it's best to keep that number low. Simply paying your bill on time makes up about 35 to 40% of a good credit score. So the more on-time payments you have on your report, the better it is for your score. If you're planning on getting multiple credit cards to boost your credit score, it's worth considering that the age of your credit accounts makes up roughly 15% of your score. Credit age matters because a longer credit history means you have more experience with credit in general, and lenders have more information to assess when determining your creditworthiness. If you add a few new cards to your history, your score may take a hit because your average credit age will then get younger. That said, if you're in the market for a new card, you can check out WalletHub's latest picks for the best ones by clicking the link right here.